Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Happy New Year. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of tall glam crystal candle holders. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need a pack of these crystal strands. I picked these up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, centerpiece decor, lighting, and so much more. And they have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourselves 15% on your orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links and custom coupon code in the description box below for you guys to check that out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree are 2 of these glass fishbowl candle holders. You will need 2 of these tall vases. And from Walmart, I have picked up some peel and stick gemstones. Now you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I also have here in this little container are some of these little loose gemstones. They are also from Walmart. I'm not sure if you can find these at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using hot glue on my project. If there are any components that you'd like to make permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need to complete these gorgeous candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.